Hello everyone, and then welcome to our project on website development. So in our previous lesson, we were able to do these. Okay, so now we want to actually work on this, and then we'll finally do this, and then we'll move to the footer. So first, let's begin with this. Okay, but before that, we want this icon. Okay, so let's go to ionic.io, and then in the usage part, we have this script, okay, that we need to use. Okay, so you copy it, and then from their documentation, place it near the end of your page. So I'm going to place it. Okay, so at the end of my page, okay, just before the body here, I'll paste it here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now let's just go to our project. Okay, so let's see. We want this, which is this collaborators. Okay, so with the collaborators, just outside the div, okay, the closing div of our card here, that's our card. Where is it? Of our card, okay, if you look at the line, okay, it ends here. Okay, so at the end, the closing div, we are going to create an h1 tag, h1. Then in that h1, I'm going to type, let me see, collaborators. I hope the spelling is right. So let's go to our project. Okay, so we have it here. And then we'll try styling it. So let me give it a style. Okay, so the style, let's see, I'm going to give it some properties here. So the properties would be um, give it a margin top. So margin top of, let's use 80 px, and then we'll use, give it a font size 3 em. Then I'll align its center. So align, let's use text align. So you see it's centered. Now let's work on the subtext. So the subtext is going to be an H. Let's use an H2 tag. So H2. Then we are going to, let me give it a lorem of about 10 lorem 10. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's fine. And then we'll give it some styling. So style, so inline CSS. And then we want to, let me first center it. So text align center. Okay, so we have it centered. Okay, let's enlarge it and see. Okay, so it's centered. Now I have to work on the color. Then I'll give it a color of, let's use color of, let's use, is this okay? This doesn't look fine, so I'm just going to give it a color of, let's use RGB. We'll change here to, so our red is going to be, oops, what is happening? Take this out. 7777 here would be, let's use 77. Okay, so we've graded it out a bit. Okay, grade it out a bit. Now let's see what other properties to give to it. I think that should be it for this side. So let's enlarge it. This is what we're able to do now. Okay, so here, okay, then let's see that of our, okay, so there's it. Okay, so in the next lesson we are going to work on these cards. Okay, So thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.